How to get Blooket hacks. Best Blooket hacks. Want to level up your Blooket game with a few simple hacks? Here are the best legit strategies to help you win more often. So first is to choose the right game mode. Each mode is unique. Tower Defense rewards long-term planning, while Gold Quest is all about quick choices. So pick the mode that matches your strengths. Second is to practice speed and accuracy. Most Blue Cat games reward speed and accuracy. Practice answering quickly without sacrificing correctness. Third is to use study sets wisely. Create or join study sets that match your learning goals. Repetition builds mastery and helps you dominate in competitive modes. Fourth is to play strategically. In modes like Gold Quest, sometimes stealing gold is smarter than collecting. So learn the mechanics and play strategically. And lastly, team up when possible. In Battle Royale, teaming up can give you an edge. Work with classmates to outlast opponents. And that's how you get the best results in Blooket. Choose the right mode, practice speed, and play strategically to win more often.